So this was a fun swap. They had an older, round, smaller feature that we had made back in the Fire on Demand days. And clients, homeowners here had moved, where I had done another fire pit at a different property of theirs. But they saw this one at our shop, and those of you that have been following may have seen this one. It's that rectangular flat top, and they said, you know, that's going to look great, and check out, you know, the decor, the motif, the architecture of the home, the sight lines from this great room. It's all windows. You take on the fire feature. Trailhead log set, flat top patina finish, and just dynamite. 970-759-3103. Jason at Breck Ironworks.com. Please reach out and let's get to work to building one for your happy outdoor oasis.